So first and foremost, I'll point out that there is nothing like a stray dog menace. There's a lot of misinformation floating around. There have been some incidents we are told of bites, but most of it is all, it's not really true. Now, as far as feeders are concerned, on the past occasion, the Honorable Supreme Court had said something like we will hold the feeders responsible for bites or we may penalize the feeders, and that created a lot of, unfortunately it created a lot of misinformation because that was not an order, that was just an observation by the Honorable Supreme Court at that point of time when it was hearing a matter and it held a particular view. However, that resulted in a lot of feeders being attacked, feeders being beaten up, especially women feeders were attacked and harassed. So that issue was taken up today. We addressed the Honorable Court on that issue, on the importance of feeding. We put forth scientific data on how feeding reduces bites, feeding reduces aggression, it reduces roaming of dogs, and hence sterilization and vaccination is easier because a dog who's fed is easier to handle and sterilize and vaccinate, and to collate data and to treat him if he's unwell. And there is no question of rabies because almost all feeders would vaccinate their dogs against rabies. So after hearing submissions and scientific data, the Honorable Supreme Court basically made an observation that we are not saying you don't feed. We are not stopping feeding. We have never said that feeding should not happen. So that is, I think, in itself a very good news, because though that is also an observation, it is not an order. However, it rests all the controversy that had arisen all these days, where there was some misunderstanding that there was a misconception that feeding is banned or feeding is to be stopped. So that is put to rest today.